my channel Never Tasted Before. Today's recipe is tandoori chicken masala gravy. It's very easy process. I'll show you the ingredient first. Half kg chicken, washed and cleaned it properly. This is 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, wherein I have removed the water of the curd. This is 3 medium-sized onion thinly sliced, 2 medium-sized tomato puree. This is 4 tablespoons of almond and 4 tablespoons of cashew. I've grinded and formed it into a paste. This is 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of tandoori chicken masala. This is fresh cream. This is chopped coriander, a lemon, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and few green chilies. Let's first marinate the chicken. Here's the chicken. Add ginger garlic paste. I have kept little so that I can add into the masala. Garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of tandoori chicken masala. Red chili powder. It's up to you how much you want to add, you can. Next, salt to taste. Now mix this everything nicely. After mixing well, add the curd. See, this is the curd wherein I have removed all the water from it. Even you do the same. Now add lemon juice. You have to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now mix all this well and now keep it aside for half an hour for marination. Till chicken gets marinated, let's start making the gravy. Now switch on the flame. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil gets heated, add the chopped onions and fry the onions till golden brown. It's turned brown, add ginger garlic paste. Mix it for a few seconds. Add tomato puree, almond and cashew nut paste, and all the remaining ingredients. Mix it well and cook till it separates the oil. Meanwhile, till the gravy cooks, now let shallow fry our chicken. Take a wok, switch on the flame. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and spread it all over the wok. When oil gets heated, add the marinated chicken and cook it till golden brown. The gravy is ready. See? Here the chicken has been roasted. Now transfer this chicken into the gravy. Mix it well. Add 2 slit green chilies, coriander, and cook it on a medium flame for 5 minutes. When it cooks well, in a bowl, take a burnt coal, put it in the middle, add ghee and close the lid for 5 minutes. Switch off the flame. Now remove the bowl. and transfer in a plate and do some garnishing. Transfer in a bowl and garnish with some green chilies and coriander. Please subscribe, like, share my channel Never Tasted Before, and comment me if you want to know any new recipes. Thanks for watching.